Hello and welcome to Unearth Financial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to place a trade according to our trade recommendations. There's two ways in which you can enter the market, and that's via an on-stop order or entering at market. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enter via the on-stop order. So the recommendations for a new trade will come through in one of two ways. Either it will come through as an on-stop order where you'll receive an entry band in which you can enter the market, and this actually is a price which is above the market should it be a long trade, or if it's a short trade it will be below where the market is currently trading at. Should the recommendation come through as an at market order, it will simply say at market, and it will say close to where the current market is trading at, which is at the moment 93.45. But as this video is about the on-stop orders, I'm going to be taking you through that process. So we have here an order for the USD JPY currency pair for the Forex market. Now, we have the entry date that we can only enter this market is the 9th of January, and that actually extends globally. So if you live in Australia, that means that you can enter that trade anytime up until 9 a.m. the following morning. Depending on the obviously time zone, you'll need to check when your daily bar ticks over, but it's whenever your daily bar ticks over and starts a new bar on your broker platform. So you'll need to check that with your broker, and it depends on where you live. If you live in Western Australia, it will probably be different. Now, let's go to our trading platform and have a look how we would place this trade. This broker platform that I'm looking at is Kinetic Securities, their CFD platform. They're our preferred broker. So if you'd like to open an account with them or speak with anyone, please go to our website and click on their logo on our front page of our website, and you'll be able to receive high priority contact from one of their head brokers. Now, we have the USD JPY here. It is currently trading as a buy at 93.48 or as a sell at 93.46. What that means is there is actually a 3 pip spread on this currency pair at the moment. And what that means is that's just really the commission that is paid to the broker. To place an on-stop trade, you need to go to the drop-down menu here and choose Order to Open. When the ticket opens, we want to place this order. We want to enter the market long, so we click on this button and it will change to buy. If we clicked again, it would say sell, but that's only for short orders. And you will notice that in the recommendations, it has long here. If that was orange and it said short in there, you would need to click on the sell button. So we're entering the market long. Our order level is at 93.8, which is above the market. And the type is a stop order. Then you may see limit in there. Make sure it's a stop order. That means we want to enter the market only if it reaches our level, which is above where the market is at the moment. Now, let's say, for example, our money management allowed us to enter into 2 contracts. Rather than entering in 2 here, I want to actually enter in 2 separate positions. So I'm going to enter in with one contract here, and I want this to expire, this ticket, tomorrow, and that would be at 8:59 in the morning when the new bar clicks over. Now, we want to look at our stop loss. The stop loss for this trade is 100 pips from the entry. So we simply go back to our ticket and type in 100 here, 100 pips away. So our stop loss would be at 92.80. So you can double check that. Now, we also want to put in our limit order, which we want to close half at the target, which is at 94.80, which is 100 pips into profit. So we go back to our ticket and place 100 in here. So that's at 94.80, and then click submit. It's asking me for the time. We need the 08 there. Okay, so it will then confirm the order, and we can click close. Double check all the details, and now you can see it's in our working orders window here. So that isn't a live trade as yet. It is only going to open and become active if that price is reached. So now what we need to do is go place another trade again. So we go back to the USD JPY, click on the drop down menu, click on the order to open, and when a new ticket opens up, we go through the same process for the other half of our order. So we want to get in long, we want to get in only at 93.80 if that price is reached. It's a stop order. We want to get another one contract. Date and time is the next day at 08, and stop loss is 100 pips away, and we don't put a limit on this half of the order, and click submit. That is because you'll now see we have our two orders in here, one with a limit and one without a limit. If our profit target is reached, this trade will actually close itself out and capture some profit for us. And by doing so, it actually leaves the remaining order at a break-even situation. So that is a matter of now just sitting and waiting. You can go to work, you can go to bed, or whatever you need to do, and those orders will execute should that price be reached within the next until this actually ticket expires at our expiry time the next day, when that date is no longer valid. So if it isn't reached, the tickets are just cancelled by themselves, and we then look for a new entry. Thanks very much for listening to this video. Please visit our website or email us should you have any questions.